Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your currency in Google Play. So step 1, open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. And then choose settings and then go to general and tap account preferences. Step 2, under the country and profiles, you will see the country that's currently assigned to you. If you are new in a country or region, a new country option may appear automatically. Step 3. Select the new country. You will be prompted to add a new payment method for that country. This is crucial because you must add a valid local payment method for the change to work. Step 4. After adding the method, confirm to complete the country switch. And then Google Play will now charge and display prices in the selected currency. Take note that you can only change your country once a year, so be sure before confirming. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.